It's 45 degrees outside, extremely hot, and yeah.
All personnel report to the nearest tornado shelter.
I think we should probably leave.
At this point, I think there's a tornado. Oh shit!
Holy fuck!
I think my shelter's gonna break.
Yo, if it does.
Oh! Holy shit!
Oh my god!
Bushcraft gone wrong. Alrighty. Piers is here, back at it again with a brand new video. And guys, today we are at the TNT Bushcraft Camp and it's episode number 9. So basically today we're gonna do a fence right in front. So God, it's 45 degrees outside, extremely hot, and yeah, so let's get to building. Hopefully we can survive the day. Jesus.
Before we put out the fence, so we brought these special tools today.
Is that a thunder?
I think so.
I think it's gonna rain. Oh please, please God, if it rains,
Yo,
we can
if
put
it
our
rains,
bags
yeah.
under the shelter and we're gonna be all good.
Liar!
Oh shit, Jesus. Hey, cartoon. Yeah, it's about to rain. Oh boy, okay. It started to rain like crazy.
The rain
Jesus.
is falling down. Thought it was gonna be sunny all day.
Yeah, same. I love Canada, bro. You can never expect to be the same temperature. I had to remove my bushcraft knife. Don't want it to get wet. Jesus! Look at this.
Damn!
That's a big thunderstorm, bro.
Yeah,
I don't think it's safe.
I think we should probably leave.
At this point, I think there's a tornado. Oh shit!
Holy fuck!
Oh shit!
Yo!
I think there's a tornado.
Yo, you should have seen those trees just moving around.
No, my branch just snapped, bro.
Which one? Your big one?
Well, yeah.
Jesus Louise, look at those trees, man. Holy crap. Yo, man, come inside more.
What the fuck? That was not expecting for today.
Nope.
I think my shelter's gonna break.
Yo, if it does.
Oh! Holy shit!
Oh my god!
What the fuck?
Yo, this is unreal! Oh my god! Yo! No.
This is
Not
very.
safe at all.
Oh my god.
Holy!
Okay,
Jesus Louise.
I think I'm gonna grab my stuff and put it in this side.
Yeah, you should do that. You want me to hold your camera?
Yep.
Alright. Put it in it, yeah.
What the fuck is this, bro?
This is
Come
insane.
on, strike me down, Zeus! I dare you! No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
Psych!
Oh my god! Tu vas l'entendre, ma branche a craqué the fuck out.
Look at this puddle, man. It's been like, what, 5 minutes?
Yeah.
5 minutes of rain and it's insane. I mean, it went from 45 to negative 30.
What the hell?
Damn.
We can't even build our fence now.
Yeah, no, we can't. We're gonna have to come back another day. Unless this stops like instantly, but even then.
Yep. I think it was a tornado, seriously.
Honestly, probably just a small one.
Yeah.
But like,
Wow.
our GoPro is waterproof, right?
Yep. Yeah, of course. Yo, we're soaking wet right now.
Yep. It's dope, man. Oh my god. Yo, il y a un c'est même pas de pluie en plus.
Je sais.
Bushcraft gone wrong.
We're absolutely not safe here, but hopefully Mother Nature provides us with good support. Good support, I guess, for TNT camp. Jesus.
Holy.
Yo, everything's wet now.
Yo, we cannot work in this.
Nope.
So right when this stops, hopefully we can go home.
Yep.
Well, we had a plan to do the fence today. Looks like that went to shit.
Exactly.
Insert meme 2020.
Yep.
Oh, the water's hot.
Alright guys, so it seems it's never gonna stop raining and we're gonna go home now. Fortunately, we cannot do the fence, so next episode will be the fence video. Alright. Bruh. What the fuck happened here? Shit. Oh, ils l'ont clearé. Right here. Hey, on your right. That snapped right clean off.
Oh yeah.
Bruh. Big tree.
One up there, I think, as well.
Pretty insane, right? We survived a tornado in the TNT bushcraft shelter.
Tornado repellent. Holy crap.
Yo, 500 likes, we do a bushcraft shelter right here.
What'd you say?
500 likes, we do a bushcraft shelter
Right here?
under the tree.
Okay. I'm down.
Before they cut it down.
Yep. You heard the guy. Wait, per video or together? In
Together,
total.
yeah.
In total. 500 likes in total, and we do a bushcraft video right here, 24-hour challenge.
Under the big tree.
Under the big tree. Damn.
Fence down, fence down.
Well.
Rip.
That tree right here.
Yep. Used to play here when I was younger. Big tree. Still alive. Yep. Told you, bro.
Stick up, dude. Wow.
Bruh. Yeah, it came through here easily.
100%. Oh my
Oh
God.
shit, yeah, you can see it. Oh wait, what?
Wait, is this the actual tower?
That's a tower, yeah.
Wow.
Oh boy. Why?
Well, Mother Nature, you are officially
Bruh. Yep. So basically the tornado landed right here and started the funnel, I guess. The funnel started here and disappeared and landed some other places close to our bushcraft base.
Yep.
Damn. Ouais, ça a commencé de là, ça a tout défouché. C'est ça que je te disais.
Yo, man.
Bruh. Ouais, c'est... It's the storm. Oh, shit!
The storm, man.
Yo. The wires.
Holy, that's why there's no more electricity.
Damn.
Oh man, look on the floor.
Yeah, it's crazy. Ça a commencé là de bord.
C'est, en tout cas, sinon, c'est un des major spots.
Ouais, c'est ça. Ça veut dire que si ça a commencé là, ça a été là-bas en angle.
Holy. Ça, c'est défiché pis c'est vrai.
Yep.
Ah, bah. Yo, c'est comment fort que le wind faut pisser?
Ben Chris, il était fucking fort!
They're putting it back.
Yep. Yo, maybe it's gonna spark.
We don't know.
Holy
This is
cow.
what this what showing you.
My shit.
That boat set shit.
Attention. Wow.
It's in a water plant.
Damn, bro. Yep. Bruh. Yep, I see it. Still no electricity.
You wanna go right?
Yeah,
Oh my god.
right here.
Yo.
Wires. Still on the wires.